Alright, no matter the weather, we are having a glow up because literally my hair is screaming, my skin is crying for help, and my energy is literally giving sloth. So today we're doing that full body glow up. I'm talking glowy skin, soft hair, summer scents or monsoon scents, like whatever you want to call that. Basically all the little things that make me feel alive even when the sky is this moody. So let's glow up together. So before we glow on the outside, you guys know it's time for that glow up drink. So let's just go and make that. I'm starting with coconut water. This is such a great booster for your skin from the inside out. Squeezing in half a lemon, a spoonful of chia seeds, and finally a few mint leaves to make it extra cooling and refreshing. My glow drink is ready. So I'm starting with some pre-poo. I'm going in with this Ayurvedic hair brew oil. This was sent to me by this brand and I pretty much really like it, so I'm going to put this on my scalp. And for my lens, I'm going in with the TRESemmé Silk Press Ampoule. This is basically a pre-wash treatment, so I just like to apply this on the lens of my hair. I did transfer this into this hair oil applicator bottle, so I'm just going to be using this. I think this is pretty much enough just for my scalp. Oil has been applied. I'm just going to gently massage this in. I literally cannot find my scalp massagers, so it's time to apply the applicator. So I like to section 2 parts and then section 2 parts more and basically just apply it on. The next step is dry brushing. I feel like this step is so underrated. I brush in upward strokes, always towards the heart, for gentle exfoliation and to boost lymphatic drainage. It also feels super energizing, so I pretty much really love this. Alright, something that's not too cute but also satisfying are nose strips, and I personally really love them. Like, I love using them. Every time I have to glow up, these have to be there. So I'm just gonna put these on and leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes, like whatever the packaging says. I would normally go in with the hip hop ones, but those were like out of stock everywhere, so I had to get these ones since I really needed them. It feels super soft on my skin, so I pretty much really like that. So it is time for body masking and underarm detox. So I am going to be using the Foxtails Skin Radiance Mask. Now, I stopped using this for my skin since it was too much for my skin, but for my underarms and my body, it's literally perfect. So I'm going to put this all over. It literally helps detoxify, evens out skin tone, and honestly, I feel like your underarms deserve a little pick-me-up as well. And the other place I like to apply these are my elbows and my fingers. I will leave this on for around 15 minutes and then basically just hit the shower. A few products that I will be using when I shower. Firstly, this is a true gem when it comes to removing oil and scalp buildup. This is amazing. This one is the salicylic acid shampoo from L'Oreal, and I really feel like this one deeply cleans the scalp. Literally leaves my scalp feeling super fresh and clean. So a 10 on 10. I then apply this right after I towel dry my hair. So it's basically like after I shampoo, I towel dry it and I apply this on my damp hair. It's a Korean scalp treatment that basically strengthens your hair follicles and reduces hair fall and also gives you that post-salon feel. So I pretty much really like this. I have only used this like twice and I pretty much really love the results. I just got myself the new Dove's body wash and I pretty much really am super excited to try this out. It does not really smell that fancy, but it's just a basic fresh scent. And for my scrub, I have been using the Bodywise 10% AHA body scrub. This one is really nice since it has lactic acid, so it's basically great for summertime. This is a gentle body scrub, but it is so effective. It exfoliates so very well, helps to brighten, and also helps with ingrowns. So I pretty much really like this. And of course, I'm going to be shaving, so I'm just going in with the Venus razor. It's time to take this bad boy off. I'm super excited to see the result. This one worked, but I did not want to gross you out, so I won't show you. So post shower, I always reach out to these body lotions. Both of these are from Nivea. This is the peach version and this is the aloe protection version. Both are super lightweight and perfect for this weather, so I pretty much really love both. For today, I'm going to be using this one. The smell of this is incredible. I personally really love it. I just hope I find a nice perfume that smells like this. And for my deodorant, I'm going in with the Chemist at Play roll-on. This one has lactic acid, so it gently exfoliates as well as reduces underarm pigmentation over time. So you need to be like consistent using this product. Also, this one smells really fresh, so it's a plus. And for my body mist, I'm going in with Saltwater Breeze. This is from Bath & Body Works, and this one smells incredible, you guys. This is literally that girl kind of scent in a body mist version, and this one lasts literally for 2 days straight. It's super fresh, so breezy, and basically smells like the ocean, so I pretty much really loved it. I have been seeing dusting powders literally everywhere, so we are going to try and DIY some because I feel like during summers this is literally so amazing, like to apply it and literally smell like your favorite body mist or your favorite perfume. So all you need is a dusting powder bowl, your favorite perfume or your body mist. I think I'm going to stick to this one since I have this body mist on. And lastly, you need a cornstarch based powder. I'm using this one from Mother's Sparsh. Then I'm just going to spray around 5 to 6 sprays. I just pour in a little bit of powder, not too much. And then I'm just using this wooden spoon to basically, mix it all really well because I do not want it clumpy. And this step literally helps. And once that's done, I like to go in and just fill this up. And lastly, I'm just going to be using this cotton pad to basically just spritz it. And I'm just going to throw this into my dusting powder so that if there's any other moisture, this is just going to soak it all up. I'm going to give that a little good shake. This already smells so amazing, but I think the more I'm going to let it sit aside, it's going to basically just macerate and then smell more amazing. I did wash my face in the shower, so I'm going to move on to face masking. And I'm going to be using the blue clay mask. This has been my favorite face mask, you guys, from 2023, I believe. And I pretty much really love this. I'm just taking about 1 teaspoon. I'm just mixing this with water. Face mask is ready. This is so great for calming the skin, deep cleansing, and provides that natural glow. So I pretty much really love this face mask. Although I do like it more with yogurt, I feel like that's literally my jam. I love mixing this with this face mask, this powder, this clay mask with yogurt because that literally makes my glow 10 times. Like after using this face pack with water, the glow is there, but with yogurt the glow is insane. So this. Today I did not have yogurt and I am running a little bit late for my hair appointment and nail appointments, so I was like, you know what, I'll just stick to water today. I'm going to keep this on for around 10 minutes and then take it off. Starting with the Moody's Hydro Burst Essence Face Mist. This one has hyaluronic and coconut water. For my serum, I got this newly launched Plum's vitamin C serum. It's their 10% vitamin C serum, and I am super excited to put this to the test. Of course, we are not going to basically see results in like one day, so I'm going to stick to this serum for at least a month or at least 3 weeks. And for my sunscreen, you guys, I have been really enjoying this one from Wishcare. It's their vitamin C Pure Glow Milk Sunscreen. This one literally gives me that glow without feeling greasy or oily or sticky. So I pretty much really like this. This sunscreen is more watery and more runny compared to their other sunscreen that I really like. So I think this might just beat that because I love the texture of this one more. Since I will be heading out right now, I'm going to be using this Maybelline's Lip Plump. I love the shade, you guys, and I also love the way it plumps my lip. So now that I have pampered my skin from head to toe, it is time for a little beauty reset. I will be heading out for a quick little nail session, like a nail reset and a haircut basically. I think my haircut is so long overdue, so it's literally high time. Before I head out, I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioner. I pretty much really like this. It is so nice. Keeps my hair like really soft and manageable, so I pretty much really like it. Like my hair has literally grown so much, so I'm super excited to, try a different haircut out. I think I always go in with deep U or V. I think I'm going to do some layers today, so I'm super excited. Let's get ready and leave. And that's my haircut, you guys. I pretty much really love it, although I do miss my long hair. Like, that was so beautiful, but we shall let this grow as well. This literally feels like super light. Like, my head feels super light. Like, that used to weigh my head down, but this literally feels like I have no hair at all. Anyway, these are my nails. I pretty much really love the way these turned out as well. It's blue French polka, and I really love it. Honestly, this glow up is everything that I needed. There is something about resetting your hair, your nails, your skin, your body that literally makes you feel brand new, and I am loving it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next week.